Oh my god, this is going to be a very subdued tone, I suspect. Bloody hell. But let's not create excuses for ourselves. Let's get on with the stream. I'm just going to double check sort of the health of it. I'll forward this on to other groups. Yeah, and just sort of check it's working. Yeah, and just sort of check it's working. It is indeed. Alright, it'll be on the chat. Okay. So, first of all, I asked a creative property question. I asked sort of the investor's role in the final sale, in the sister sale, and it is, of course, to manage the sale and marketing of the property, in line with the agent. But basically, the investor is the one who kind of decides the price it will sell for, decides on the terms, the final sale, everything like that. Just finds the buyer, just takes the responsibility away from the owner. The sale is being taken care of for them through refurbishment and like marketing and everything like that. They don't have to lift a finger. So yeah, a good solution for vendors sick and tired of properties falling through and things like that. Okay, then we're gonna just sort of, instead of reviewing the week and being a little bit sort of all over the place and trying to remember everything, just gonna look through my pipeline. Well, not pipeline, but the equivalent, which is to just search for my interested properties, and yeah, have a look. So, and just summarize. So yeah, this one 1075. I am interested in this one. Found it this week actually, but I've looked at it before, put an offer in it before when it was on for 1.1 with another agent. But what they've done now is put in AI generated like renders, so they're really trying to sell it. Quite motivated, must be quite motivated to do that sort of thing. This one, sold subject contract. Yeah, have I got alerts on it? No, okay. If I just put alerts on it, see when it comes back, I can take that off interested because it's sold, right? So, but obviously if it comes back, it'll be on it. This one, yeah, it's a recent one. I found it through an agent, Foxton's, same agent. I just that property that got bought actually. It's one of these funny, like really skinny properties, but actually the size is not too bad. 64 square meters. Yeah, small but 2-bed house. And interested because it's already been reduced. I think at the level of 380, 390 it could work, and I've sent the agent an email about this one. This one I think I found it last stream, or maybe stream before. Yeah, last weekend. I didn't do the Sunday live stream. I was visiting my parents, so I didn't do that. Oh, this one I've got alerts on. Yeah, so Salmon Street. It's still a bit high to be honest, that price. Once it gets to, I think I said that, once it gets to 800k, I want to sort of get it for 750 to 800. Yeah, so once it gets to 800, we can have a conversation. This one is sold, so again, same thing. I've got it on alerts if anything changes, but so it's going to be someone else. No worries. This one, yeah, this one. I actually. Yeah, let me just write that down as the first sort of note today. That was from last stream, because it had this is the one with the brown bathroom, I think. Yes. Are you ready? Blech. Chocolate coloured bathroom. Yeah, no, it's still on, and I think been a while since the reduction and no one's moved on it, and I think that's what I didn't actually get around to phoning the agent. That wasn't in my notebook to phone the agent, so I must have manual processes, isn't it? But I put all the ones I want to phone in the notebook. This one, well, Pattinson said it was, yeah, we got offers for 460, 465 through our auction, you'd have to do better than that. Well, it's still here. So that's 125 still when auction finished, it's still here. These guys, yeah, I need to follow up on this one. Because I sent through an offer and I haven't heard anything back. We're starting to get into the nitty gritty of the assisted sale course with Mark Shaw, and I think it's going to change the way I put offers in. Hopefully, yeah, it will definitely improve my conversion rate. This one's all subject to contract. I've got notifications on it. Okay, so I can take that actually out of my interested, and yeah, it just sort of helps clean this up.
Okay.
I was wondering what the crunch was. Thought it'd be an apple, but it's a pepper. It's a good idea. A lot of vitamin C. This one removed, really? But it's on with current listing. Oh, have they taken it away from Pattinson, the auction house? It's an interesting development because I emailed Pattinson like, any sort of movement on this price, because it is overpriced. No. They said no, but they didn't mention that they'd lost it. Okay. They seem to have lost it. So that means this one I would remove because they've lost it, right? So it's just going to the estate agent. This one, negative equity property. Yeah, I'm not quite sort of sure how to deal with the negative equity ones really. Probably research into it because I know it's good. Research into it, or yeah, get my coach Mark to explain it. We'll probably explain it at some point during the course, but yeah. Lease option can definitely help cover the mortgage interest, things like that. Okay. So have we got anyone joining today? So far? Anyone? No, not yet. That's fine. Hot day, I'm not expecting it. Not expecting anyone to be cooped up inside. Right, removed. No longer on the market. Is it sold? It's not sold. I was in contact with the this agent on WhatsApp because he's Chinese and they love WhatsApp. Oh wow, I didn't have WeChat, I would have loved it. Two listings. Bizarre. Yeah. So I definitely want alerts on both of these. Maybe it has sold. Probably WhatsApp the agent. In fact, let's take. Normally my stream is just sort of doing some sort of systemized job, but like, let me now remove this, take action, and send a message to the agent. And I reckon he'll respond instantly, even though it's a Sunday. That type of guy. Is it Butler Avenue or Butler Court? Oh, I don't know. But it's the only property we're registered about. Butler Avenue. Yeah, just message him as it's sold. What's the channel BH? Messaged Wesley. So the next one is, what did I say about backburner for now? Okay, it would have to be 750. Alright, and it's offers over 800, so yeah. This one removed. Let's just have alerts on it. So I think this was removed because it's old. Yeah, cool. So just put alerts on it and take it off our immediate thingy for now. Yes, this one is old Victorian thingamabob. Yeah. See if it's still on the market. What is on the market? Tomorrow. Hang on, is the auction finished basically? Auction closes 28th of May. Oh, it's a rolling thing, so it didn't go through at the first auction. And it was 14th, so bi-weekly rolling auction. Well, that is interesting then. We need to sort of check on that. When it's not selling it, it's bi-weekly rolling auction. And yeah, there'll be a reason. Right. No. It's too hot to feel any sort of fan. Is it at maximum power?
It might come later.
You know what it's like? It's like if a beautiful lady such as yourself walks past in a long dress. It's not like a frantic fan, but there's something there. I can feel something. I can't feel enough. It's too hot. This one was removed. I think the vendor was going to do works on it themselves. It's interesting, this one. I still want to, I don't know, maybe send a letter, or there's some potential here, like they're going to do the works themselves. Yeah, I still want something on this one. I don't know what I can do. I don't know how I can contact the vendor after sending a letter. Who picks up this? I don't have, but works for some people, doesn't it? So I also want the immediate alerts actually if anything happens. Oh, excuse me. This one, I think it's way overpriced, 850 comps. Backburner for now. Want it to be reduced ideally. This one being removed. Oh, it was an auction property. I guess it sold? No, it didn't sell. Right, I'm interested then. Still didn't sell at auction, so yeah. And what did I say on the last one in terms of comparables? Didn't say anything. I didn't say anything. So I'm not interested in this one anymore. I'm interested in, still with the auction house, it'll probably go in another round. I'm interested in it. No comparables. Because this is 6 bedder, isn't it? It's probably a HMO type thing. Yeah, I don't know much about HMOs, but does it have the nice ones? Yeah, okay. Oh, this is not a nice area then. Wait, where's the postcode? Normally these listings will have, there you go. Okay, and this one, negative equity. Removed. Is it sold? It's not sold. Again, another one where, oh right, they've done a nice bathroom, but that's it. More than aware for any RTL bet than expect properties better than, yeah. I don't really at the moment, but yeah. See if anyone else is on here. No, that's fine. It's fine, it's too hot. Everyone should be taking shots at, or in a beer garden. Yeah, that. Yeah, this one, this is just crazy. It's been listed since. Oh wait, that says 2026, but it's not really, is it? This was listed for 900k in 2023. 900k, now it can't sell for 600. Brutal, isn't it? No, I mean they need help. Like they need help, and that I remember that one is in my notes. That's the next, literally the next property to call on Tuesday. Monday's my day off. Well, then maybe I'll squeeze it in tomorrow, because that one is like. Actually, there's no rush. Like no one's buying it. Well then, no one's buying it. When was it last reduced? There's something also Mark's told me about this week. It's like it's just been reduced. Leave it. Leave it. Right, yeah, it was reduced just on Tuesday last week, so they might be thinking, strange reduction. They might be thinking there'll be more interest as a result. Oh, need to plug in the laptop. So I might actually leave it another week until they realise that the reduction has not helped. Cool, this one is sold. Okay, no problem. I think we needed it at 550 anyway, yeah. So, put some alerts, but they're going to have to be pretty desperate to. Sometimes 550 if it falls through, but you never know. This one, I think this is sold. Oh no, it hasn't. Okay. Don't know what the comparables were. Okay, let's have a look. Oh, I do know what the comparables were. They were. Oh, they were big. They were good. Actually, potentially, this is quite a good deal. Potentially. Yeah, okay. The comparables are one. Get the calculator out. Can't do that in my head. One five plus 1755 plus 170 over 3. So 1655. Wow, I mean, yeah, that would be great. It's just, is the market ready to take a 1.6 mil home at the moment? It's just. Doesn't look like it needs anything too crazy. I mean, yeah, some replastering there. Stuff's peeling off the walls this morning. strip that all back. It's not a bad place actually. Shame it was removed. It was removed like a month after selling it, after listing it. Tap this. Oh, hang on, have I asked about it? Oh, I've done this already. Properties removed in April. Oh, and it was sold in April. It's bizarre how property engine works. Okay, so let me cross that out. We know why it was removed. So let's get alerts on it. Yeah, no, I think this one's a good one, but which is why I think probably it won't fall through. This one just, let's leave it. Just the wrong listing. This one has been removed. Yeah, I had a virtual tour of this one. It was just overpriced, really. Been removed. I doubt it's been sold. It's really overpriced. Like, it's old, really old, and I mean, it doesn't need loads of work because like cosmetic again. But some properties on the same street done up were selling for only like, only like 100k more. So like, maximum achieve rate 50. It's like, I mean, what do you expect? Oh, that's why it was removed then. It's over a month ago, but worth asking. This is negative equity. It can't be though. It's to be expected. It's a new build. To be expected it'll be a little bit less. However, this has been a weird journey. Listing went down to. It fell through. They increased the price. Can't do an option on this though, can you? I could option to holiday letter. I actually might just keep it in the pipeline again. It's like negative equity one. Like when I figure out how to help negative equity properties. Same as this one. This one, I don't know what I'm doing here. 875. I've said 875 could work. I'm not actually sure about that though. Still, even though it's not like terrible, like everything would want to be done. What in here would you keep? Maybe that bathroom, because it's not that bad. Like everything else, yeah, like this is cool. We keep that. But a little bit 90s, noughties, but not bad. What was the narration rate? 925. So based on that, I mean 875 I could offer, but it hasn't gone to 1.75 now. Nah. I would need this to be reduced, actually, let's be honest. Would need it for 800. So thought I would be going through these quicker than I actually am. I've already been about 25 minutes going through these. I thought I'd finish by now because I want to change my search criteria based on market conditions. That's the main purpose of today. Let me set myself a maximum of 10 minutes more going through the pipeline, and then I'll do that. I'll get on with changing my criteria. viewed this one. Took a while to sell, but no, they did find a buyer. Not want to sell. What price? Okay, fine. Obviously it's just a sale thing, but what Mark's been saying is actually most of this sales work when it's been sold and then it comes back on the market. So I suppose that's what I've got to hope with this, because actually, yeah, I was coming to view it. I came to view it 3 months after it was listed, so I thought, oh yeah, 3 months. Actually, it should be more like maybe 6 months, and having fallen through before, things like this. So yeah, not interested just yet, but I've got the, let's put the alerts on if it comes back on the market. It's nice, isn't it? Oh, this came down a lot. Oh, can't miss it. Oh, it's still not sold. Ooh, okay, this is good. Because I was saying, okay, it could achieve 700.